What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can get flower petals in Grounded 2. It's pretty simple. Most of them you'll find around the picnic table area in this general area here, but you'll also find a few more sprinkled on top of the actual picnic table itself, which you can start climbing by heading over to here, climbing up the tablecloth, going all the way around to here, doubling back underneath, heading across to this croquet, bat, or whatever you'd call it, all the way across here, through the ice cooler, all the way up to the very top, and you'll find a few sprinkled all along this little obstacle course here. But of course, we don't actually need to scale this. We can get them all outside here. Let's do it. So, making our way all the way over to just southwest of the picnic table, you should see a couple of these things spread around. They're these purple leaves. So for example, there's one right over here inside of this takeaway container. I fell off, so I'll need to head back up. And right over here, for example, we can head across to it and attack the hosta plant, which will drop off a few petals. Not bad. Hopping down, we can pick these up and travel a bit further. There's a few more around here. So there was one here. There's one exactly here, which is just to the east of this. So I climbed on the thrown away carton across here, and you can already see it right here. This one's fallen over already. We can attack it for a few more leaves. And of course, there's a bunch of these on the ground already. This was pretty plentiful. Just like that, we've got 12 petals. Then, heading up to this rock over here, you'll find one inside of a glass jar here, where there's a lava protecting it. That's fun. So we can attack this and pick up a few more here. Then, on the actual picnic table, there's 1, 2, 3 in this area here. All of them are petals, which we can smack for 9 of them. And over here, on the way up, there's one over here. Obviously, though, that's a whole mission to get up there. I did explain the general pathing of how to get up, so for the most part, you can piece it together. It's really not that hard. But yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.